Howdy, Mr. Zatola here with a quick rundown on how to do the temperature conversion worksheet that's been assigned. Like almost everything in Earth Science, you're going to need a reference tables, and specifically page 13 temperature chart right here. As you see, it's Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin. Before we get started, I just want to show you the bottom Kelvin. That is something we do not have to worry about. So do not do the Kelvin portion, but we do have to understand the conversion between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Well, back in the day, there was an equation. Now you have a chart. Okay, so it's pretty well laid out for you right here. All right, so this chart right here is pretty simple, I believe. Okay, I'm going to do two examples. I'm going to do one Fahrenheit to Celsius and one Celsius to Fahrenheit, and then I'm going to let you guys go. But I do want to show you first and foremost with this chart. So, for example, water freezes is on here. It shows it at Fahrenheit, which if we get into the Fahrenheit scale, it's by twos. So if this is 20, that's 22, 24, 26, 28, and that would be 30. Okay? So if that's 30 and the dotted line goes to the next one, water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. But if we follow this dotted line all the way across, sure enough, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. So that's how we do it. You just run a straight line across from Fahrenheit to Celsius, and when you're going from Celsius to Fahrenheit, run a straight line backwards. You could even draw on it. So that is our first example. Fahrenheit conversion, Fahrenheit 32 degrees Fahrenheit is 0 degrees Celsius. Again, let me run through. I found 32. There's 30, there's 32 where water freezes, the dotted line. I go straight across and it brings me to 0 degrees Celsius. Great. Let's try one more. 98 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, we have to find the Celsius. So we have to find 98 degrees Fahrenheit on here. I'm going to bring it in a little bit so you can see it. Here's 80. There's 90 right there. 98 degrees is 92, 94, 96, 98. I run a line straight across, and Celsius is by ones. So 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, so the first one is right there. The second one, 98, was 37 degrees Celsius. You're actually going to need to know that for biology next year, okay? So that's good to know. Now let's do a Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion. And here we have our first one is 80 degrees Celsius. What's in Fahrenheit? We have to find 80 Celsius. Well, here it is, right here. We bring it straight across. It's not going to match up perfectly. And I go 160, 170, 172, 174, 176. And there's a little leeway there. So the second one right here, 80 degrees Fahrenheit, is 176 degrees, 80 degrees Celsius is 176 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so again, all you're doing is running a straight line from one to the other. Either it's from Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius. Remember that Celsius goes by ones here, and that Fahrenheit goes by twos here. Okay? So complete this chart on Kami using your reference tables, complete this worksheet on Kami using your reference tables. It's only 10 problems, so it should be easy. And I just want to say I miss you guys, and hope everyone's doing well. Okay, great. Best of luck, and we'll talk to you online hopefully soon.